I click close. And if you go into generate report, which we had for tracking, and you'll see your version 351 or whichever 343, whichever version you use, and you click OK, you'll see I'll have Mary and her two values are listed on the tracking record there. So just know if you now entered multiple children in, you'll see all of them on the page. Back into this VideoSoft data reporter, which is a side program, and I have to close that window. And do I want to make the changes? It's asking me, do I want to make the changes because I moved the column widths of this template, and I say yes, I do want to make it. All right. So what we've done right now is we've put in one person, and then if we want to put in another person, we push new for a new ID number. It naturally just moves to the next ID number, but potentially your ID number may not be, maybe your Dell number may not be that. It may be a different one. You can type that in, and we'll say it's John, and we won't have a last name. We'll tab enter, we'll click mail, and then tab. By tabbing, it brings you right to that, right to the beginning of the birth date rather than using your mouse. You might accidentally click in the middle or someplace, and then you'll be off. So if you actually just tab over, it drops you to the right place. So we'll say he's 0214-2004, enter. He was also measured on 10/10 along with the rest of the class, and we'll click enter. See, now for that second child, the age did calculate. So he is maybe 39 in height, and he is 36 pounds. We'll click enter. You'll see there's your data already calculated there to the right, and the information is already put in place. Again, so if John had another date on 11, and you measured kids on 11/15/2008, and again, his age calculated there. And so maybe he is now 39.25, and he is 36 pounds, and we will then click there. Let's make sure he didn't gain any weight, but he actually gained a 1/4 inch in size. So that's it. So for entering, you just continue again, and then for printing, primarily all you would do is click on the first one. You may enter her data in, go to File, go ahead and click Print, and then go to the next person, enter the data in, go to File, then Print. And as you're printing that last one, you may hit the new ID, click a name, Doe, and maybe it's Tom, and go ahead and click the information. Maybe he's 03/03/2004, and you did him on 10/10. You measured him, and then maybe he's 41 and he is 39, and then you do File, and then you do Print. And then the printed documents, go ahead, put them into the child's file, and review the data, and then have the appropriate follow-up. Well, that's it for doing EPI-Info for ECEAP. If you have any further questions, you can talk to your health nutrition coordinator, and we can help individualize this for your site. Just want to thank you for joining us, and again, if you have any more questions, please contact your health nutrition coordinator for more information.